a sanctuary carved into the landscape. This stunning home doesn't just sit on the land, it becomes part of it. With open plan spaces flowing from the kitchen and dining area out to the terrace, every corner frames a view of the glistening water body, while stone paths wind through tropical greenery dotted with moss-cloaked boulders with friends. Where stone, water, and greenery converge, step onto the cobblestone driveway, flanked by tiny river rocks, and discover a living masterpiece. Vertical gardens with weathered branches climb the walls, tropical plants thrive around massive ancient stones, and distant mountains paint the perfect backdrop to this nature-infused haven. Living in sync with the wild. From the cozy family room to the sun-drenched terrace, every space celebrates the outdoors. The garden blends small pebbles, lush foliage, and mossy outcrops, while the nearby stream or lake adds a gentle rhythm to daily life in this architectural gem. Nature as the ultimate designer. This integrated residence lets the environment lead the way. Rough-hewn stones form garden floors and accents. Mature vines weave through vertical green walls, and mountain vistas create an ever-changing canvas, proving that the best homes grow from the earth they occupy.